there's so much going on, which is unusual. Obviously, normally there's not music, normally there's not people lined up here at 10 o'clock at night. It does stress them out a bit. So they're just kind of keeping an eye on what's going on, and they are more prone to stereotyping and pacing. It can be a trigger to stress, so that's why we put the barriers up and stuff, just to keep people back a bit, to give them a bit of a rest. Hopefully they're as happy as they can be. Obviously it would be nice just to kind of hit the wild, but they are so rare. But obviously these events, they do raise a lot of money for us, and obviously that's really important for our conservation work.